Today, we will be making our quick and yummy omelet. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. We will start by gathering our ingredients. Be sure to wash your fresh produce thoroughly in cold water before use. For this recipe, choose your favorite fillings and begin to chop them. Today, we chose onion and red bell pepper. Once your vegetables are chopped, heat 1/2 teaspoon of canola oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook vegetables until tender. Remove your vegetables from the pan and set aside. Next, whisk eggs, milk, salt, and pepper in a bowl until blended. Heat your remaining canola oil in the skillet over medium-high heat and pour in your egg mixture. Gently push the cooked portions from the edges toward the center with the spatula so the uncooked eggs can reach the pan's hot surface. Continue cooking, tilting pan, and gently moving the cooked portions as needed. When the top surface of your eggs has thickened and no visible liquid remains, place filling and low-fat shredded cheese on half of the omelet. Fold your omelet in half with the spatula, covering the filling. Slide your omelet onto a plate, serve warm, and enjoy.